Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add this type of rotating text effect into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, you can see the text is changing and it also has the gradient color, so you can use any color you want actually. Okay, but in this example I added gradient color because one of our community member actually are looking for this code. That's why we actually built this. Okay, see here, here is the example she sent us. Okay, and that is why we just built a little bit code snippet which actually working just fine. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. Okay, so first of all, you need to grab the code from our GHL code snippet library, as it's our premium code snippet. So you will get this inside the GHL code snippet premium library under the headline, subheadline, paragraph, text code snippets. Okay, so let me show you how you can implement this code snippet into your GoHighLevel. So first of all, uh, you just need to put an HTML and JavaScript code element by selecting this option. Okay, I already did that. And then copy the code snippet from the library. Okay, and then you just need to add the code snippet here. Okay, so once you added the code snippet, few more things you need to make changes. Okay, like your text. Okay, so for example, this text is, we call it sentence. Okay, so you can see we have a class called sentence. Just send your text, and then all the animated dynamic text you want to add inside your text. Okay, like this one. Okay, just add this here. Okay, here you can see we have the 7 different code snippet. Okay, but inside the library you will get 4 different code snippet where you can add 4 code, 4 text, 5 text, 6 text, or 7 text. Okay, so you can we actually limit these because these actually works based on the CSS keyframes. Okay, that's why we just needed to limit these. Okay, but we are working on it. So if we find any other way to make this more dynamic, then we definitely do that. But until now you can use this. It's working totally fine. If you have until 7 different text, okay, that you want to animate and rotating, then you can use this code snippet. Okay, but in case you need more than 7, then just feel free to write us to our community so that we can add more keyframes into the code snippet, and you can easily install it into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so the installation is pretty simple. Just all you need to copy the code snippet and paste it here and change your text. And after that, a little bit changes you need to do if you want. Okay, so for example, in this example you can see we are using the gradient color. So if you want to use the same color, then totally it's fine. But in case you don't want to use this color and you want to create a new color, then all you just need to go to our community and click here gradient busy and text generator. Okay, here it will take you to this color generator where you can change the color. For example, let me show you just in a moment. Let's say I'm going to use this color and a little bit of blue. Okay, yeah, you can see the color changed. Okay, so we can add any color we want. Let me check. So say we want to add this color, this gradient color. Okay, so you can see we have the code snippet already generated. Okay, so you just need to copy the code snippet from here and then go back to your GHL code editor. Okay, and then put it here. Okay, so first of all, one more thing I want to show you. You just need to add the background text color. You can see this generate actually a different color. All you just need to take this one. Okay, only the first line of code, okay, to make your text gradient, okay, like this. But you can actually do any other type of gradient color as you wish, okay. You can make it. Okay, so here how you can get the gradient color as per your requirement, and then you can change the main text color. Like this one, we have the black color. Okay, you can change this color, and also you can change the font size. You can also change if you want to change the font family. By default it's Montserrat, and then you can change the font weight, okay, the position and the left right, whatever you need. Okay, that's it you actually need to do, otherwise everything is already done for you. So you can use this. Let me save and preview this code. Okay, so just a moment. I'm going to save it. Okay, the paste saved. Let me preview the paste. Okay, so now it's working just fine. Okay, so this way you can add this type of text effect into your GoHighLevel page. So if you find this video helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and if you are watching this video from our members area, then down below this video you will get all the course snippets and the instruction, all the links and everything. But if you are watching from YouTube, then you need to go to our GHL course snippet premium version. Okay, otherwise you can also join our community, which is completely free. Inside the community you will get access to our free trainings and also the basic version of GHL course snippet. But for premium version you need to upgrade your account. Okay, you need to upgrade your, well, you can upgrade your account if you want to use the Pro Unlimited course snippets. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel. And again, thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.